Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to show you guys how to tie the no knot knot, and we'll be using this when you're laying off of batter boards to find an exterior wall so you can do your layout of your underground. And so what we do is we've got a string here, and we'll take this and we'll wrap this around about 3 or 4 times. There's no precise measurement. Then we'll put it around your stake here, pull tight, take the slack out of this string while you're pulling on this one, pull it tight, and then let it go. And there you have it. You have a nice tight string to do your layouts with and get all your underground or whatever wall you need to identify. Then to let it down and untie it, all you do is kind of pull straight out here, kind of get some slack, and there you go, without even having to tie an actual knot. So if you guys like what you see, give me a like, a thumbs up, subscribe. I'm really needing some subscribers. And leave me a comment below on what type of knot you guys use to tie off and lay out your string line. And as always, thank you and be safe out there.